Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a bar plot in R. Bar plots are particularly useful for visualizing categorical data where data points are grouped into distinct categories or classes. Bar plots allow for easy comparison between different categories or groups. For example, you can compare sales figures for different products, scores for different courses, or performance metrics for different teams. Here we have the sample data. We have two variables. Variable one is courses, where we have the information for 5 courses. We click on run and we load this data into global environment. Next, we have the scores for these courses. We load these scores into global environment. Here you can see the courses and scores in our global environment. Next, we want to create a bar plot. In order to create a bar plot, we use bar plot function, and the first argument is the data, the numeric data. The second argument is about the names argument, that is about the courses. So this argument gives us the label of the courses in the x-axis. Then we have x label as the courses, and then we have y label as scores. We choose the color of the bar plot as sky blue, and the title of the bar plot will be course scores. So when we run this function, where we have the information of each course along the x-axis and we have the information of scores along the y-axis. So this is how we create a bar plot in R. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.